Hey guys, it's OneManOneCamera. Today is April 26th, about 5:40 in the afternoon. We're gonna go up, and it's about 90 degrees, my phone says, but it feels like 84 degrees with the breeze. Hey, I don't know. We're gonna take a ride through the Arts District to see what's going on. And right now we are starting at Main Street. You see we're just behind the Strat. Main Street and Oki. And we're gonna go up to the Art District and just see what's going on, okay? The art district has a nice little bicycle lane, a nice green color. All right, I will talk about places I know, make some comments as usual, and let's see places I don't know. I will not comment about. All right, how's everybody doing on these wild days? Hope everyone is fine. All right, so like I said, we're starting on Main Street in Oki, and we're coming up to Wyoming. Off to the right, we have Jack in the Box. Now, I've been in that one before, and to tell you the truth, that one had the worst smelling bathroom I have ever encountered. And this was a couple of years ago. Things may have changed, but it was horrendous. And I could not believe it. It was that bad. Now this one's come. All right, back onto the bicycle path. Hey. Now they're trying to improve this area. I think they fixed the streets up a while ago, and they've had more business start. And off to the left, if I can read the name properly, it's called Abel Baker Brewing Company. Now they have it's a brewing company with a restaurant and so on and so on. Now they were doing pretty good business. It's a brand new shop, a relatively new shop. They were doing pretty good business, and then the madness happened. But it looks like a great place. The reviews have been pretty strong. Okay. And as you can see, there's car shops down here for the Arts District. Now there are some antique shops, secondhand used clothing stores, and that sort of thing dotted along this street. And for example, to the left is a place called that's right, Tatiana. Yeah, I had a girlfriend named that before. Tatiana, right. Okay, and then next to that place called Kana. This is modern apothecary. So they have some cannabis stuff in there. And I went in there before they opened, this is a while ago also, and just in the lobby area checking out the goods, and I was surprised they had products for your pets, for example, for your dog and that sort of thing, which surprised me. So, hey, some music playing way over there in the alley place. Interesting, yeah? And look at this, another brewery coming. Nevada Brew Works is coming here at Imperial and Main Street. So they're trying to really upgrade this whole area. Now, I do like the wide sidewalks. They are nice, very nice. It's like a jam session back there. And some of the artwork, it's not always my cup of tea, but some of it's nice. Like a party back there. Hey. Whatever your passion. And this is brand new. They're building something here. It says restaurant, bar, retail, office space on the signage. We'll see what happens with that. Got our Raiders sign up there. Hey, hey. Okay, now we're crossing Colorado. Now this first guy on the right side, that is like a barbershop or a hair salon. Never tried it myself. I do my own hair. Okay. A yoga studio. I always want to try yoga, haven't done that yet. And various secondhand clothing shops on the right. And to the left, you can see it or not, it's a Velveteen Rabbit. They have it's actually pretty good in there, I thought. And then Rebar, my favorite bar down here. Check out the Rebar open soon. The Dude Abides. All alcohol available. Okay, so Rebar. And you got Coolsville Tattoo. Now the Rebar, they have some sort of drive-through thing. You can get your beer, wine, and hot dogs at the Rebar. And like I said, this is my favorite bar down here. I've been here on a few occasions, and it's pretty cool. The owner's pretty cool. I chatted with him one time before, make a decent cat. There's a train off in the distance. And yeah, if you're in town, go to Rebar. There's also, like I said, secondhand clothing. There is the local theater, which I never tried before. They were showing Hedwig and the Angry Inch. Look it up if you don't know that one. Interesting. Buffalo Exchange. Remember those guys? The secondhand news place. And then you have some restaurants. Bail Bonds place tucked away in there. Crossing over to California. And I'll make a right turn real quick, okay? And I'll come back. So down here on California, there is a restaurant called Esther's, just to the left in this little complex. That first place right there is called Esther's. Now they have a Esther's Kitchen, Esther's Kitchen. They have a very, very strong name. And whenever I'm down here, they're always busy. And down the corner, there's a place called Tacotarian. Let me make a U-turn. Tacotarian. And I want to try these guys, but I can't right now. Okay? All right. Let's go back to Main Street. See the train in the distance? Can you see it? I hear the train a-coming. It's coming around the bend. And I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison. And time keeps marching on. The Man in Black. And that train keeps rolling on San Antonio. All right. These are also some left and right side are secondhand shops. It's like a little hop nuts place there. I think it's like a beer place, beer and wine. And then Makers and Finders, like a little cafe. Here it's called Jammyland. It's like a Jamaican place. Haven't tried it, okay? Always too busy, but I haven't tried it. But it's on my list. Okay, on me list. What are kids doing over there? Oh. And here, another bail bond place, 8 Ball. Now on the corner of the El Paso, Los Angeles bus run, Limousine Express. If you want to hop a bus down to Arizona or somewhere, don't know the price, never tried it, but you can come down here. And here we are up at Charleston. Got a used car lot. Okay, so we go. That was pretty quick. So now this next area, as we cross Charleston, whenever I go to the what do you call it? First Fridays, it's always around here. All right, here we go. Like I mentioned earlier, First Fridays is back over here. We'll go right through there after pass a few more things. So some building, document solutions, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Other buildings, blah, blah, blah. But over here, something interesting. For those of you who are interested, there is the Burlesque Hall of Fame right over here. And just so you can see the admission hours. Hey, you can see myself. $15 general, 12 Nevada residents, 10 for senior students and active retired military. BurlesqueHall.com. All right. They are closed until April 30th, is what their sign says. Never been inside there, but you know, I should take a peek. And for those of you who don't recall, okay. Burlesque, look how they spell it, B-U-R-L-E-S-K, as you like it. Those peekaboo darlings. Okay, now this part of Maine, I usually don't come up here so often, not really. But there's a karaoke spot. Okay, right here, it's hard to see it right now. But this is the Ninja Karaoke. Hang on a second. Sign, Ninja Karaoke. I've been inside there once. I did not sing. I just wanted to check things out. Okay, now we're on Coolidge. We go right down on Coolidge. And like I mentioned earlier, the first Fridays is, you know, hey, is over here. So there's this little doggy, I think it's a dog, this dog statue, or bust, I guess, gigantic bust. And a cat, dog, cat, snowball in Vegas, must be a cat, yeah. There we go. Now I will, I will throw up a clip of First Fridays, just so you can see what goes on there, okay? This whole area right now, this big old parking lot, is always full of people and food trucks or some of the little events going on, or activities, not events, activities going on. The police are working hard again. Let me see. Do this. Okay, now we are on Charleston and 3rd, and this place opened up recently, this Pastry Academy. I checked online, and there's no prices, but it's a 40-week course, 10-month course, and for you to learn from this famous gentleman, Amaury Guichon. I probably butchered his name, but hey, so if you want to learn pastry in Vegas, this could be your answer. All right, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go down Commerce. Okay, so give me a second and we'll jump over there. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I'm stuck in Folsom Prison and time keeps riding on. El Paso, Los Angeles Limousine Express, Inc. You got a Jim, Ali's face, other boxers on this thing. All right, so we're gonna make a left down Commerce, one-way street. I didn't know that. Huh, it's a one-way street. Make a left down Commerce and just take a look, see what's going on, all right, here we go. See, no cars over there, no cars coming in, back on the green. Whoa, you guys are in the wrong way. Okay, so over here on Commerce, this Ironworks place, they have a lot of Ironworks art. Check it out. Dinosaurs, cacti, all sorts of things. Got one of these guys right here. Take a bite out of you. You get the Pony Express. Well, not Pony Express, but you know what I mean. Okay. And as you can see in the background, there is the Strat in front of us, the Drew, Resorts World, and a smattering of other buildings. Get to the chopper. You see, this Commerce Street is not nearly as exciting, for me anyway, as Main Street. So, but I figured I'd show you guys it anyway, just to take a look-see and see what it's like. Another place. Looks like it says restaurant, bar, retail, office. Something called Desert Gold Food Company. I have no idea what they do. I wonder. And it seems very quiet. See? Nightmare Toys. There's Chucky, Freddy, almost to the tree, and Leatherface. Whoa. The stuff that dreams are made of. Small church down here, Keep It Real Ministries. What's the other one? What is that? T-shirt, your screen printing by tshirtdude.com. Hey, free advertising, mate. And there's the Good Wolf Lifestyle Company. I think they're expensive. I think. I went in there, or I looked through the window, and I was surprised at the prices. I think it was these guys. All right, it's back on the street. All right, see, there's pretty much not a whole lot to see on this side, right, you guys? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna end this pretty quick, and then I'm gonna go off somewhere else. Okay, okay. And Commerce does run parallel to Main Street. So we just basically came back to where we started from, pretty much. All right, let's get out of here. In through the Cyberlink parking lot. All right, you guys, that's about it for today. Thanks for watching. Here's a grubby little alleyway. Shall we go to it? Why not? We'll turn right and get out of here. So there's some alley back here. Whew, smells like garbage. I better hurry up. Let me see. Aroma, urine, garbage, BO. Huh. So the art district does have alleys. Whoa, what is this? Cheese, beer, wine, liquor, curbside, cork, and thorn. Huh, it must be a party.